Good day to you. Today I am going to talk about three sensors: RFID, Moisture sensor, and power transducer. This is Kadal Amudam from Chennai, India. RFID is not exactly a sensor. It does not sense any parameter, but it simply says that hey, I am here and this is my ID. There are two types of RFIDs. One is passive and another is active. There is no need to power the passive RFIDs and power is required to power the active RFIDs. We can compare both in the table. Power source is required for a passive tag. Power source is not required for a passive tag while it's required for active. Range is limited for passive and it's large for active. It may even go up to 1 kilometer or more than that. Memory is generally limited in passive tag and an active tag can have any amount of memory. Write data. Passive tag generally one may not be able to write any data but maybe very small amount of data. But in active tag one can write any amount of data but for any number of times. Let us see how the passive tag is working. You may aware that how power is transferred in a transformer from primary winding to the secondary winding. The same principle is used to transfer power to the passive tag. If RFID reader needs to transfer power to the tag and then read the data. Moisture sensor. This works in very simple principle. Two metal rods will be driven into the earth. The rods will be connected to each other by an insulating material. The resistance between the rods will, when it is in the soil, is a measure of moisture content in the soil. When the moisture is more, the resistance will low and the value will increase when the moisture comes down. Power transducer. These transducers are generally used in three-phase systems. They basically measure the current voltage of all the three-phase systems and the phase angle between voltage and current. In all the three phases, based on this measurement, various data can be provided. The following is the list. Phase R voltage, phase Y voltage, phase B voltage, phase R current, phase Y current, phase B current, power factor, active power, reactive power, kVA, energy, frequency, and moreover we can give the details of phase to line voltage and phase to phase voltage also. Power transducers are of two types generally, directly connected and CT operated. For high current ratings, CT operated will be used and at a lower rating, direct current may be used. This is the end of this video. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can view more videos of the nature. This is Kadal Amudam from Chennai signing off. Good day to you.